Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an Easter egg with hinged lid for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin our Easter egg with a 6x6 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 plate right here on the top. Then I'm going to set down a pair of 2x4 plates. And then 3 more 1x2 plates as shown. For the lower side, start with a 1x6 plate. We're going to place down a 2x4 plate right here where it's hanging over by a set of studs. Then I'm going to slide in a 2x6 plate right here, followed by a 1x6 plate on the bottom. Then I'm going to lock this joint together with a 2x4 plate, set that down. Now I want to make 4 of these, but I'm going to take 2 of them and add some supports for the sides. So I'm going to take this one and flip it over. We're going to take a modified 1x4 brick with 4 studs. We're going to place this right here in the center, followed by a set of 1x1 bricks with 2 studs. Place these right here. And to lock in the sides a bit better, a set of 1x2 bricks with 2 studs. Place these as shown. Now we're going to make 2 of these. We're going to take our 6x6 assembly, we're going to flip this over. Let's take one of our sides, we're going to place this right here. And we're going to place this one on the other side. May have to come in here and pinch this in a bit. We're going to take our regular sides, we're going to place these on our modified bricks. This is going to form up the bottom portion for Easter egg. Makes a nice little box. For the top of our egg, we're going to start with a 6x6 plate. Place a 2x8 plate where it's hanging over by a set of studs on both left and right hand sides. Then I'm going to take a set of 2x3 plates, place these where they're hanging over by a set of studs. Now I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to place a set of 1x2 plates in these 4 openings. This is going to finish up the lower portion of our top piece. Then we're going to flip this right side up. Right here, we're going to place a 2x2 brick followed by a 2x6 brick and a 2x2 brick right here. And in these 4 areas, a set of 2x2 bricks, and right in the center here, a 2x4 brick. Set this right here, followed by a set of 1x2 bricks and a 2x2 plate. Now in these corners, I'm going to finish this up with 4 1x1 bricks. For the upper portion of our shell, start with a 6x6 plate. Let's set down a 1x4 plate right here, followed by a 2x4 plate. And then right here on the left hand side, a 2x3 plate. Right here we're going to place a 1x2 plate followed by a 2x3 plate on the right hand side as shown. Right here in the top center, a 2x2 plate. And I'm going to cover up this hole here with a set of 2x4 plates. Place these right here. And a 2x2 plate right here. This will finish up the side of our Easter egg nice. Now we're going to make 3 of these. We're going to take 2 of our assemblies, we're going to flip this over. Next, for anchor points, we're going to take a set of 1x1 bricks with 2 adjacent studs. I'm going to place these as shown. Now, note the orientation of how these are here. We're going to make sure that this is at the bottom. Then we're going to take some 1x1 bricks with 1 stud. Place these right here. And 3 1x4 bricks with 4 studs. I'm going to take this one, place this inside of here. You're going to have to wiggle and jiggle that in. Set that right there. And I'm going to take these and place these right here. Now we're going to need to make 2 of these. So this will complete these 2 sides right here that are special. Now we're going to focus on the last side with the hinge with a 6x6 plate. Place a 1x4 plate right here on the top and a 2x4 plate right underneath that. Then we're going to take 3 2x3 plates, place these as shown, and right back here a 2x2 plate followed by a set of 2x3 plates and a 1x2 plate right here. Now for a hinge, I'm going to take a 1x2 modified plate with stick and a 1x2 modified plate with holder, place it in as shown. I want to place the stick portion right here, and that's what these notches are for, to clear the hinge. So let's place this one right here. This will complete the last side. And I almost forgot a 2x2 plate right here to finish this side off. Now we're going to take 2 of our sides that has our modified bricks. We're going to place these as shown. May have to hold in here a bit to put those in. We're going to put these on opposing sides. Place this one right here. That forms up that. Then we're going to take our regular side that we made and we're going to place this right here. Now you're going to need to hold these in a bit because this thing's going to want to blow out. So just slowly push that in there. You don't need to go too fast, because if I press this in, this may cave in. But once we get all this locked in here, this ain't going anywhere. And the same thing goes for the hinge side. Place this right here, and we're just going to pinch that in. Just do it very slow. You don't, no big hurry to get this done. Place it in like that. And that concludes the top portion of our Easter egg. Alright, now we're going to place the top portion of our egg onto the bottom. We're just going to swing these down, place our hinge plates on here as shown. Make sure everything is locked up, and if everything went well, we have a nice Easter egg that we can open up and put things inside. It makes a nice, fun little Easter project.